It doesn't matter whether a guy is scrubbing restrooms in a train station or is the CEO of a major Fortune 500 bank. We want to treat every individual like I want to be treated.
What is Finks Jewelers?
We're 92 years old. We're a fourth-generation family business that sells high-quality jewelry to customers in Virginia, North Carolina, and Tennessee.
What does Finks bring to the world that other jewelers do not?
We offer the best of both worlds, meaning, you go into an independent jeweler, there isn't new product all the time, there isn't a lot of variety in what you see from day to day. Whereas you come in one of our stores constantly seeing new merchandise. Our people are professionally trained like they worked for a big company, but we still offer that local touch.
My father had his hands on everything, wanted to do everything himself. So it was really a one-man show. And then I came into the business realizing that if we were going to grow from where we were at that point, that I had to professionalize the business and bring in fantastic people that were better at what they do than what I could do.
Tell me a little bit about the systems you were running on prior to implementing NetSuite.
We had a historical system that was jewelry-based, but just didn't have the base architecture to make it into today's world. And that's how we started the process that ultimately led us to NetSuite.
There's so many little intricate things we have to do in jewelry between repairs and special orders and some of the things that are kind of outside typical retail.
I don't understand anything about of computers or technology that much, but I kind of liked how you could really fine-tune it and make it special for your business.
Just about everything we threw at the team at the time they were presenting, they were able to come up with a solution. NetSuite is a tightly integrated system. Sales order, PO, receipt, all those things are related, which is a beautiful thing as an IT person.
Now that our inventory system and our accounting system are the same, we have way less reconciliation gaps. We're not chasing down numbers as much.
It's got all the power in the world, and there's no limit to what you can do. You're not going to run out of anything. I love researching our customers. I love knowing what they do, what their backgrounds are. When we make a big sale, I love knowing everything about them. I look at every sale every day in our company. And I can look at it on my smartphone. And I can look and see that we sold a beautiful big diamond in Charlotte, North Carolina, and then I can call the sales associate and say, tell me about that person. When you're a privately held business, you're not like a public company that has to report quarterly and what does Wall Street think of you. We want healthy growth that's good for our customers, our people that work in our company, all of our associates, and our family.
We view business in a very long-term fashion. NetSuite is the perfect fit for Finks because NetSuite is positioned to be a long-term ERP system for our business.